Vibes fam, what's cooking? Welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Wanna come through and come bust a bake with me. On today's menu we have some scrumptious blueberry muffins. And here are the ingredients that I will be using to make this treat. Oh guys, please preheat your oven at 220 degrees Celsius or 428 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to start off with my dry ingredients. 2.5 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 3 teaspoons baking powder. Each of these sachets contain 1 teaspoon, obviously, because I'm using 3 of them, and ½ teaspoon salt, and combine everything. Make sure you rub this up good. Rub it out good, combine nice and well. So we're going to need 2 large eggs. So I'm just cracking them into separate containers, as I always do. And I say why? Just in case one is spoiled. And that's us. So 1 cup buttermilk, and I'll put down below how you can make your own buttermilk, and add 2 eggs, ½ cup melted butter, 2 teaspoons vanilla, and get to whisking until it's completely blend combined. So whisk. I mean, if you have a big fork, then you can use your big fork and get to working. Work those hands, build muscles. We are building muscles because summer bodies start in when? Winter. So, yes. So now we're going to combine both wet and dry ingredients. And vibes fam, you don't want to mix this too much at all. So I'm just going to mix it just enough to combine it. You don't want to work this too much and then it get, you know, when you bake a muffin, then it's tough and it don't taste nice, or it dry. So just mix it just enough to combine it. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is just mix it part way, because I have to add the blueberries and stir them in anyway. So I don't want to mix it to completion and then have to go on when I add the blueberries, then I have to mix again, because that would definitely be over mixing. So I mix it just enough part way and then yeah, add. By the way, I had 2 cups of blueberries. So you can use 1 cup if you want, use any amount that you want. So yeah, I added the last set of the blueberries that should be mixed into the batter. And that's us. So I'm placing my muffin cases into the muffin tin. And if you don't have the muffin case, that's fine. Just rub some butter in and pour some flour, and then that's you. Okay, and now I'm using an ice cream scoop to put the batter into the cases. So each case got more than 2 scoops really. So I just did two scoops to start out with, but then I added the rest of the batter and evenly distribute it in each case. Among the cases, what I should say. My brain is going ahead of what I am doing. So I had left back some of the blueberries and I'm just putting a few on top of each of the muffin. So guys, if you don't want too much blueberry into your muffin, I would suggest that you don't mix it into the batter, but just put the batter into your muffin tin and then add the amount of blueberries directly to each muffin tin. That way you get to control it perfectly. So if you want, you just add 2 blueberries. So yeah. So here is the extra fun part. You take some dark sugar and sprinkle on top of each muffin. Sprinkle, sprinkle, tinkle, tinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle, tinkle, tinkle. I enjoyed doing that. I'm telling you, this is like the icing on top of the cake. It adds a little crunch to the top of the muffin, and of course we can't forget the extra nice taste that it gives the muffin. Yummy, yum, yum, yum. And here they are, oven ready. Remember, the oven was preheating at 220 degrees Celsius or 428 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, now you're going to turn down the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for 20 minutes. Here they are after 18 minutes. So yeah guys, mine was done in 18 minutes. So bake it for 20 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. Don't forget to turn down the oven before you put them in the oven. All right guys, and please always check back on your stuff before them actually finish bake. Like, you know, you say I give 20 minutes, check it in at 18, 19, well preferably 18 or something like that, because all oven not equal at all. Some oven cross and you put your things them in there and fire just a blaze everywhere and you something them burn up. And some oven just nice and calm and cool and collected and just, you know, nicely bake your things them easy like Sunday morning. Guys, now listen to me. So yes, vibes fam, see we ya. And me say, present your muffin them like say them a enter me swirl. Guys, these are so moist and nice. I mean them just soft and all the way good. And trust me, the top, wanna see it brown and nice. Yes, come through with a little bit of crunch. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, so delicious. Come through blueberry with the stem in it. Because you want video like, I think that's a chosen blueberry because it's the only one that have stem in there and I present itself. But yeah, vibes fam, trust me, this was so easy. I love things like these. I grab a cup of tea in the morning and grab 1 or 2 and I meet at breakfast. Done. So thanks for watching, and guys, don't forget to like, comment, and new watchers subscribe. Thank you so much for the support, and the things will be in the description. God bless you.